And we had some great news today, and a good client of ours, Jenny, has finally sold her property that she started all the way back in February. Now, the brilliant thing about this is that it has had its challenges over time, but it's all come together finally, and that's such a good bit of news that we've had today. Now, the deal itself was an auction property that was financed through Interbay on a short-term loan. And the best thing about this was that we were able to go from the initial application and inquiries all the way through to the formal offer, getting it over to the solicitors within about 18 days. The final deal all came completed, fully packaged within 27 days, 1 day earlier than was expected, which was brilliant news. Now, this was an auction purchase of a little bungalow, but Jenny and David have done an amazing job doing this property up, and the videos that Jenny's put on Facebook have been brilliant, and it's really good to see some positive change and some great work being done on some excellent properties. Now, by way of doing this, Jenny approached us again fairly recently and just asked what the options were in case the property didn't sell, in which case we were able to go back to Interbay and they gave us several options to make sure that there was a viable exit just in case that property didn't sell. But it's finally gone. Really great news, and big congratulations to Dave and Jenny on that. We're really pleased that it's all come together. So as another week closes, we find ourselves having had a super busy week. Lots of inquiries at Harvey Bowes, but lots of really interesting thoughts about how things all come together, how you can process deals, and doing some great interviews today with Jamie Higgs, who you may have seen on YouTube recently discussing one of his latest deals. But it was interesting to see how everybody has their own perspective on making things work and how they place things together so that they suit them as an individual and as a property investor as well. So once again, congratulations to Jamie on such a great project that has been and will continue to prove to be very successful and very profitable. And he's got some more videos coming up soon, and we're going to be interviewing Jamie in about a month's time as we go through the latest project that he's been working on in Llanelli, and we'll be able to give you a bit of an update on how that's all come together. So another great week, another very busy week as we enter our lockdown in approximately 1 hour and 14 minutes time. I'm sure you can all feel for us, but we will still be busy. We will all still be working, albeit from home. But if you have got any inquiries about some of the things that have been in this video, about the bridging aspect, we can connect you with some amazing bridging finance companies and also help you decide on your final exit if you are looking at a finance of a property and an exit plan to go along with that. So I hope these videos have been useful this week. We can't wait to work with you all. Don't forget, you can contact us from the number below and the email address, and also get in touch via the website as well. We look forward to seeing you next week when we'll have a few more questions that we'd like to answer, as well as some viable lender updates. So enjoy your weekend, enjoy this final little bit of sun that we seem to be experiencing, and look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Take care.